What is going on, everyone? My name is Jason, and I had to address the elephant in the room because earlier I went live and we talked about ALPP for about 2 hours on the charts. I even made a full video today and we are up 28% on the day. Look at this. Wait, I need to get a green arrow because this isn't even good enough having the red arrow. Look at this, 28%, everything is selling off. We've got Tesla selling off. We've got Palantir selling off. We've got Coinbase selling off, and we've even got Neo selling off. But ALPP doesn't matter, guys, because it's green. We're up 28% on the day. Look at this. I said if we can close above $4, and then we will be going between that new range of $4 and $5.50. So we are now, in fact, in a bullish divergence. We are about to close. I think we've closed now just on the 21 EMA over the 50 SMA. So I'm going to zoom in real quick and let's see if we can do some maths here, see where we've closed, whether in fact this is just touching right now. So we're not actually closed above, but tomorrow if we continue with this momentum in any way and we do get a new crossover, then we are going to be in some bull territory. We are stretched on the RSI 4 hour. We are sitting at 70, so you can expect a little bit of a trend down tomorrow, hopefully to around that $4 mark, and then hopefully we can start to retest those highs again of up to $5.50, which will be the new layer of resistance. Very easy to see that there because we have in fact tested here twice before and we do have 2 pin bars. So this is going to be the new range for ALPP. Hopefully moving forward we are going to have a range between $4 and $5.50 until the Nasdaq is announced. That will be absolutely fantastic if we can do that. Now this is some great news. And why has ALPP been moving up? Because I've been looking for some new news today. I did do a full breakdown. You can see that the volumes have increased just slightly here on the green bar just down there. It's just inching up just a tiny bit more than those last few weeks that we did have that big sudden sharp sell-off. So that is some good news. We are having those retracements of the money back into obviously some of those penny plays and ALPP on Twitter. They haven't announced anything, guys. Maybe it was just my video that I did earlier has in fact been good news, and again reporting good news for a company like this. Perhaps some big money has then come in, watched those videos, who knows, and they have been scooping up those shares. If you go onto Google, you can see that there has been no new news at all. And again, Ken hasn't said anything on the website. If I zoom out here, we are going to see that on the website again it does say if they do have any news release of any kind, and I cannot see anything on here. So I don't think, you know, there is particularly anything happening right now that we weren't aware of. The last news did come out on the 21st of April, and we did in fact do a full breakdown over 2 days ago, guys, and that was just for the you know, the video again of the ALPINE4 Big Biz show. So if you want to watch that, then I will link it, if I do remember when I am uploading this video, to link it above now, so be sure to check that one out. But essentially, guys, ALPP has been on the move, like I said, and we are sitting at $4.50. So this is some really fantastic news out there for our ALPP shareholders. And hopefully, like I said, we can now expect to hopefully stay in this new range of around $4 to $5.50, which would be a nice place to, in fact, obviously take some of those profits, potentially wait for those dips, and then again start to average our positions in. Because if we do that in the long term, guys, then we're going to get the best price. And this has a lot of volatility, so we can always use this to our advantage. It will be interesting to see again if we do break above this $4.50 and we do start to trend upwards, or whether this is just a fake out, and again over the next few days we do trickle back down to that support line of around $2.50. We'll have to wait and see, but again we are currently around the 70 on the RSI, so we are going to have some kind of pullback, but the markets do seem to be turning around to somewhat into some of those growth and penny plays. We're probably going to see a little bit of a shift out those Nasdaq. Again, we do have some of those big earnings out tonight. We've got Facebook and we've got Microsoft, those trillion-dollar companies, so we will have to see what happens there and where money is then later moved on in this week. But guys, that is some really good news for anyone that is holding ALPP. Continue to hold, continue to be strong, and continue to believe, because you will be rewarded in the long term. This is an excellent fundamental company, and again, they are doing everything they can, as Kent did say in this interview. They've retained 95% of their workforce during the pandemic, and they have a labour shortage around the US right now, but their company is absolutely set in stone. Their subsidiaries are set to start growing revenues, you know, into profitability at some point in the near future. And again, we have the ACQ, which is one of their subsidiaries there, and it has been doing amazing. The quality circuit assembly, and they did do a record 2 million booked alone just in April in business. That's some fantastic news there. So guys, that wraps up this video. Just a quick one. Just wanted to say congratulations again to all those shareholders for being patient out there, because we will be rewarded in the long run. I hope to see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Don't forget to go down there, smash that like button for me as always, really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Smash that subscribe button and join this family of investors. I'm the only guy on YouTube that covers ALPP every single week, so if you want to stay up to date with ALPP, then be sure to join this channel. It is one of our favorites, and I will leave a link to in the description to the private Patreon if you would like access to my buy and sell alerts, any information I do put out, not on YouTube. And again, you can ask me anything there personally. I hope to see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Ciao.